Hey, happy Friday morning, everybody. Just wanted to go over a trade that I just took here pre-market, give you my reason and my analysis for doing so. So we're looking at the 5-minute chart on the NASDAQ. 5-minute chart says with time frame alignment that we're going to be looking at the 1 hour higher time frame candle. And so if you look at what we've got here, you can see that the 6 a.m. candle beautifully swept the previous 5 a.m. candle. You can see that right there. And so I've got it marked right here so you guys can see. And the reason I'm doing that, or have done that, is because we're going to start moving down to the lower time frames here in just a second, and you will see the entry that I got. So let me go to the 3. There's a change in the state of deliveries plotted. I'll go to the 1. And the reason, two reasons actually. First reason I got in is because it swept London low, which is this green line. We also swept Asia low, which is this other colored line here. Those two areas are huge liquidity pools for the market. And the fact that it took both of them out right here, that caught my attention, number one. Secondly, if you look at the 4-hour candles, we've got 2 a.m. candle, the 2 a.m. candle doing its thing. And so I'm anticipating a 6 a.m. reversal, which is what we've got going on eventually. So I went ahead and just got in off the 1-minute chart here with the, the 1 hour sweep plotted. This was about a 10-point stop loss. I said, you know what, I'll take it. Went ahead and got in off on this candle right here once it closed over, the change in the state of delivery, and then I wrote it up from there. In terms of plotting the overall trade, once I was in, because of that beautiful hourly sweep, I went ahead and plotted the fib projections based on the 5 minutes. So I was going for a 1 to 2 here, obviously a little bit more since my entry was on the 1, and but went ahead and got in, or got out, once it hit the 2 here. So again, liquidity pools swept down here, and then based on the 4-hour candle profiling is what I was looking at. Now I know I talk about the 1 hour fair value gap and how it most of the time it taps into it the first time. You get that reaction the first time. In fact, let me bump up to the hour. And so we see this is a brand new fair value gap, but we don't get any type of reaction through here, and that's okay. It doesn't happen 100% of the time. But the reason I was confident that it would continue to chip away and move through this one this time was because of where we are at in time, meaning this 6 o'clock candle sweep, and this is the new 4-hour candle opening right here. And then again, based on what happened with Asia, with London, in that 6 a.m. candle that I'm anticipating it to turn around. So again, that was my trade this morning, guys. I'm blanking out on my words here. Ooh, excuse me, I had a cough there. So that was my analysis. That was my reasoning for getting in. And so we'll see what happens the rest of the day. I'm looking at the daily candle, and this is where we are as of right now today. This was yesterday's candle, so a little iffy in terms of we didn't sweep the high, but we did close under it. So just trying to watch which direction we may go here. Even though, overall analysis, I'm bullish on NQ, obviously, but I think we're going to have a little dip down again today, shooting for previous day low. But we'll see what happens. We've got PDL right down here. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you guys my reasoning and my analysis for this trade this morning, guys. So I hope that helps. All right, you guys have a great video, or a great what am I saying here? A great morning, a great rest of your day, and I will catch you on the next video. That's what I was trying to say. Everything's mumbled through my mind this morning here. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great one. I'll catch you on the next video.